Bakit po kaya nagdagdag ang timbang ko ngayon? 2 years na ako nag-low carb. Okay, great question po ito. Meron tayong tinatawag na slowing down ng ating metabolism. Ano ibig sabihin nun? So, remember, your body is designed to help you to survive. Meron tayong tinatawag na fat thermostat. Ito yung set point ng katawan natin kung saan sinusundan ito ng katawan natin. Pag na-detect ng katawan natin that we have very small intake of energy, ang gagawin ng katawan is at some point is to slow down niya yung metabolism kasi hindi niya hahayaan na ikaw ay patuloy na papayat to the point na mamatay ka na, right? So what will the body do? Matututo siya magtipid. Low carb is not a sprint. Hindi po siya for short period of time lamang. So kailangan you have to understand ngayon pa lamang na unang-una, aralin ninyo yung pundasyon ng lifestyle na ito. Ikalawa, mga kapatid, you have to understand na ito ay magiging lifestyle. Hindi po ito panandalian lamang na i-reverse mo yung medical condition pagkatapos bibitawan mo na. No. So, ngayon, kung lifestyle siya, ano ngayon ang gagawin mo para ma-maintain mo yung lifestyle? So obviously, you have to look at sustainability measures. Ano yung sustainability measure? Ito yung paano mo i-maintain. So paano nga ba? I always tell you mga kapatid, the importance of combining low carb, number 1. Number 2, fasting. So prolonged fasts. Matuto tayo ng extended fasting po. Paano gawin ng safely ito? Ikatlo, ano yung sasabi ko lagi? Exercise mga kapatid. You have to get beyond the set point. Yung set point na yan yung sinasabi ko nga sa inyo na fat thermostat, no? Kapag ka tayo ay umaasa lamang sa yung kain natin, caloric intake without taking into account the other things like fasting, like the importance of resistance training lalong-lalo na. Dalawang uri ng exercise mga kapatid, no? Number 1 is yung cardio. Cardio is good for the heart. It's not really something that you do for weight loss. It's for the heart. Number 2, resistance training. Yun yung mag-a-allow sa'yo to get over that set point. The long fast and resistance training. So ngayon, kung may muscles ka, you will be able to increase your basal energy expenditure. So ano mangyayari ngayon pag na-increase yun? Pag nag-slow down na yung metabolism mo, you start gaining weight again, right? Pero kung mas marami yung gumagastos ng energy na pumapasok sa katawan mo because you have built muscles in this case, then you will use up that energy, hindi magsuslow down yung metabolism mo. That's why it's really important to understand na ito ay lifestyle ito. This is a marathon, so dapat sustainable siya. Hindi lang pagkain mga kapatid yung tinitignan dito. That is why it has to be holistic, right? You have to do low carb, Mediterranean para sustainable, fasting. You have to do both cardio and resistance training for maintenance and of course, stress reduction. Kasi gano paman ikaw kagaling sa iyong ginagawang lifestyle modification, pag na-stress ka kapatid, the cortisol effect again will kick in and lahat ng pinaghirapan mo mawawala, right? Paano mawawala ang stress? Isa lang naman ang solusyon. Babalik tayo dun sa nagbigay sa atin ng kapasidad to heal. That is why you really need Jesus in your life, kapatid.